What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. And today, you seen by the title, you already know what we're here to talk about. And we're talking about the last pair of Jordans that I'm buying of 2018, man. Had to hit y'all with a little clickbait. Had to have y'all worrying like, damn, DeVintage ain't buying no more J's. Of course I'm buying more J's. That's what brought me in the game. And that's why I'm gonna ride through to the end. You know what I'm saying? But it's a reason why I'm only buying one more pair of Jordans this year. And I'm gonna get into that in the video. But before we get into this video, you already know what I need y'all to do. Hit that subscribe button right here. You can see right here, I put another Snapchat so y'all can know how to do it. Y'all should know how to hit that subscribe button, the big red button that says subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And follow me over on Instagram. I put a Snapchat right here at DeVintage World. If I'm not posting a video or if I'm just posting something on my story, that's where you can find me, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go follow me over there. Hit me up in the DMs. Like my pictures and all that good stuff. Support your boy, you know what I'm saying? So with all that good stuff being said, let's get straight into this video, man. Let's get it. Okay guys, so I had to hit y'all with a clickbait with Air Jordan 11s because you know the navies kind of look like the Concords from a distance, minus the blue jump, man. Kind of gave it away with that one if I did not black the 11 out. Maybe y'all thinking it was the Platinum 11s or the Concords, which of course most of y'all knew that I'm really trying to get these Concords. And they fire, bro. I've seen a lot of reviews because a lot of people hit on them early on the sneakers app. I was trying to get them, but I was like a little bit too late. And it was like some issues going on because I haven't used sneakers app in a while. So yeah, I didn't get them. It was an L. But I'm getting those things. They're coming out in Germany. Y'all will get them like a couple hours early from release date, or either right when everybody else picks their pair up. I'm gonna have that review and on feet already set for you guys. So one of the reasons this is gonna be my last pair of Jordans for this year is because it's a lot of Jordans that I honestly do not need in my collection as of right now. Maybe I might regret a couple of those, like the Mocha 3s. I've seen the official pictures. I'll probably put some up right here. They looking alright, you know what I'm saying? They're not like a must cop. But that mocha colorway is kind of, you know what I'm saying, like something different and something that I might add to the collection. I got no like brown mocha shoes, you feel me? So that might be another pickup for this year, but hope.
I've been just a step veteran since I was 4.
It's not a need. So that's what I'm saying. As of right now, as of today, the Air Jordan 11 Concords should be my last Jordan pickup for the rest of this year of 2018, man. Y'all let me know if I'm missing out on a couple releases. I know the Dornbecker collection is dropping, the 15s, but it's kind of like the defining moments colorway, you know what I'm saying, the black and gold. Shouts out to the kid that made those shoes. I'm not knocking them at all. I love what Dornbecker and Jordan Brand and Nike in general was doing with those kids, you feel me? So shouts out to them. It's just not a shoe that I need in my collection. I know people gonna be like, oh, I bet if they was hyped up, or I bet if this person was getting them, you would get them. That's just not me. I cop shoes that I like and that I wear. I wear all my shoes. And yeah, the Jordan 11 Concords, man. I've seen a lot of reviews, a lot of on feeds, and it's just like, god damn, bro. I need those shoes in the collection, man. I need those shoes. If you need a lace tutorial, or if you need to see a couple styles on how to lace your 11s, that is my top view video on my channel. All you gotta do is click on the DeVintage and that video should start playing automatically. And here go one of the styles right here for y'all to see. I did a video on how to lace the 11s. I did a video on how to lace the 1s. And then I did a video on how to lace the foam posits, which is like my second most viewed video. And then of course I did the how to lace Air Jordan 3s from my boy the Retro Wiz Kid, man. So shout out to my boy the Retro Wiz Kid, man. Hopefully we get some more collabs going. Hopefully I'm back in Texas next year, man. Please, I hope I'm in Texas next year. But yeah, if I'm missing out on releases, like I said, let me know in the comment section below what I'm tripping on and what I'm forgetting. But I just checked the calendar right now, and the Concords is like the only must cop for the rest of 2018, you feel me? I will be dropping my top 10 sneaker pickups of 2018, either beginning of December or a couple days later. But y'all will be getting that video full in effect. Because I know I haven't even showed all the shoes that yes I have. I showed all the shoes that I copped. while I was on YouTube. But I still want to do like a little recap and rank them from 10 to 1. I don't know what my number 1 shoe is going to be. I got a pair of shoes coming on the way, and I just met a guy today that works in the shoe store up here in Germany. So hopefully, man, hopefully I can get a pair or a couple pairs of shoes that I want that I missed out on instead of having to buy them on StockX. So hopefully he'll look out for your boy, man. And shouts out to you, bro, if you're watching this video. But that is it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little video. Just wanted to kind of scare you guys or have a little discussion on what should be like my last pickup, or should I add a couple more until my last pickups for 2018. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video from more DeVintage. Like, comment, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, as always, DeVintage World. And yeah, have a happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Peace.